Hi guys and welcome to this video. My name is Michelle and I'm a brow and lash stylist and trainer at Mrs.Highbrow. As we all know, practice makes perfect and it's the best time to just practice on yourself first right now at this time. So let's get started. I'm going to show you everything on how my brow lamination works. So first I'm going to clean my brows. It's really important there is not any residue of anything on the skin or in the hairs. And what's really important with a brow lamination is that you don't cut or tweeze any hairs at the top of your brow before you start, because you're going to brush them up. So if you're going to shape them perfectly right now, then they won't be as perfectly shaped after we have laminated. So after we have prepped the brows, we're going to use the brow lamination adhesive. And what I always advise is to start and do things part by part. If you're going to glue your entire brow, then brush it up, the glue is going to dry up. So please do it part by part so you can get every precision that you need. I like to start at the bottom of the brow and work my way upward. And you don't want to overuse the product. Then with this brush, I'm going to brush up everything. First, I'm going to use the brush. First, I'm going to use the brush side, and then I'm going to use the flat side to get everything flat to the skin. And one tip, I always like to do it a bit more sideways instead of straight up, because that will give a more natural look. So first I brush up, and when I feel like I've brushed and separated everything, then I'm going to use the flat side. Press everything. And it's looking quite weird before it actually looks good. So after you're done gluing, this is something that it will look like. So every hair is up and sidewards, and you want no big gaps or things, because gluing and brushing it up is how the brow is going to be. So that's the most important. How long step one should work in really depends on how strong the hairs are. I have quite straight and strong hairs, so I definitely want to let them work in for a little bit longer. I tend to have more thick hair, so I'm going to let it work in for about 12 minutes. So after letting it work in, I'm going to take it off. Then what I do is I take the back of the brush and then I press all the excess off. It's a really nice tip because it flattens the hairs again. Then I like to take a damp cotton pad and I just slightly press to remove. Alright, so far so good. Let's apply step 2. So I have applied step 2 and I'm going to let it work in for about 14 minutes. You always have to add a couple of more minutes to step 2 to what you did do compared to step 1. So after letting it work in, I'm just going to take it off. The back of the brush, I'm going to push all the product out. Then I'm going to apply step 3, meant to condition the brows. And that is how I do a brow lamination. Do you want to know all the ins and outs and all the tips and tricks? Please take a look at our online courses or visit us at our academy. Every course that you follow comes with a certificate and a starter kit. Good luck guys, and don't forget to share your results with us. Bye bye!